Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming tethering support and gathering gear, the router, SIM or USB modem, power, and an Ethernet cable. Insert the SIM or connect the modem to the router's USB port now and power the router on. While it boots, open a laptop or phone and access the router's admin page, usually 192, 168, 0, 1 or 192, 168, 1, 1, then log in. Once logged in, navigate to the Mobile or WAN section to prepare APN and connection mode settings. This prevents later connection failures. You now set the WAN or Internet type to 4G/3G or USB tethering. This directs the router to use mobile data. Enter the APN exactly as your carrier provided. If there's a username and password, add them and pick the right authentication type. Choose LTE or Auto Network mode so the router prefers faster bands. Save and apply changes, then watch the WAN status. A connected indicator means the router obtained an IP. If it fails, toggle modem power and reapply settings. Finish by setting DHCP and secure Wi-Fi credentials, then update firmware if prompted. This stabilizes performance. Connect a phone or laptop to the Wi-Fi and load several web pages or stream one video to verify throughput and latency. Once done, confirm the router's WAN IP and signal strength. These explain slowness. If you hit issues, try one key troubleshooting tip. Reboot the router and modem, reinsert the SIM, and recheck APN settings. If still failing, call your carrier to verify provisioning.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.